Hello there.
This video will learn about how organizers can create a conference event from the dashboard in Airmeet. So let's get started.
Log into your Airmeet account and then click on Create Event button. Select the conference event from here, give it a name, put a start date, start time, end time, and that will be displayed on the event landing page. Then we can click on Change option and select the time zone. You can see the drop downs here. You can select your time zone and region. After selecting it, we can go to Event Entry Rules. We can see that by default, event entry rule is already selected here. We can click on change to change the event entry rule, and that will allow your attendee to enter the event. After selecting the event entry rule from here, click on save option. After saving these changes, go to additional information section wherein you can write an overview of the event for our attendees to read it. You can add the organization name as well, which will be displayed on the landing page. Here, enter the organizer's email address so that attendees can contact them if they have any questions. After making these changes, click on Create Event option and your event will be created successfully. The Summary tab is the first tab you see after creating the event, and you can add sessions, speakers, sponsors, and booths directly from here. Once you click on View Landing Page, you can see how the landing page will look after you have filled in all the details. You can click on the Edit option or Show More to change or update the event details and click on Save. After saving the details, you can also find the event status that is upcoming for this event, time duration, configuration for event registration, pre and post event activities as well. Now moving to the schedule tab, you can click on sessions. Once we go into the sessions, we can click on add an activity to add different sessions, which includes session, speed networking, break, fluid space, explore booth, pre-recorded session, or stream into Airmeet. After selecting the activity type, we'll save the changes. After saving these details, we'll organize them into tracks that will play one after another like a playlist. We can also add a new track from here. Then we'll move to Speakers and Hosts section. In this section, click on Add Speaker option to add a new speaker to the event. You can also send the speaker invitation unique link from here and update the speaker details. In pre-recorded videos section, click on Upload Videos option. Select video from your computer and upload it from here. You can also add from your video library at the community level. After uploading the video, add it here itself. Now we'll move to session recordings. Once the session is marked completed, you can find the session recording on this tab. You can download or copy the recording link from here. Now we'll move to the registrations tab. In this section, you can view the registration data and download the list of all the participants. Click on Invite Participants, download the default template, or create your own custom template. After downloading the template, fill in all the attendee details and upload the CSV file. Click on Next after that. You can view and manage the participant list, download the participant list and attendees via CSV upload. As an event organizer, you can also copy and send a reminder email with speakers, exhibitors, and attendees' unique links. Now we can see the registration form. We can click on the registration form and we can edit the details from here itself. We can also change the details required for registration from here. Now we'll move to ticketing. You can also create tickets that participants can purchase during event registration. To enable ticketing for your event, connect your Stripe account from here and post it, add tickets, and publish them. You might also include coupons for each ticket tier from here itself. Now we'll move to the branding tab, wherein you can add branding to your event to improve the overall experience. Add your own event logo, landing page banner from here that will be displayed on the event landing page to increase your brand engagement. Reception is the first page attendees can view when they enter the event. As an event organizer, you can choose from two types of reception layouts and customize them according to your need. Default reception, this will highlight the banner image and upcoming sessions. Customize reception, create your own reception by adding a 3D effect, background image, videos and link, and save it from here. Now we'll move to the stage backdrop section. Click on Upload Backdrop Image and select the file from your computer to improve the live stage experience. After selecting the file, click on Preview Backdrop and save it. Now click on Stage Backdrop Guidelines. Follow the same to create the stage backdrop. Now we'll move to the Sponsors section. Add sponsors to the event landing page and provide links to their website. You can also divide the sponsors into different tiers, that is gold, silver, and bronze. Now moving to the promotion tab, click on Email Communications. You can customize your default email template sent to participants at different stages of event by clicking on this pencil icon. You can also create a new email and send it to different stakeholders of the event. For example, speakers, attendees, or exhibitors. Once we go to Promote on Airmeet option, click on Send Request option and your event will be showcased on different search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. To generate the additional registration, click on Send Request option and we can feature your event on Airmeet web page. Now we'll move to social sharing links. It will be available on the event landing page so that we can share the event on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Once we go into the social sharing tab, we can enable or disable the social sharing option displayed on the landing page like this. Moving to the Booths tab, you can create booths to display products or to present an organization. To add a booth, click on Add Booth option, fill in all the details. You can also add up to 6 exhibitors and configure the features according to your preferences. After doing that, click on Create from here. Now we'll move to the Analytics tab, which includes the event attendee details, event engagement, and a lot more. Then we'll go to the Users section, which assists you in understanding the users who are attending your event and determining whether they fit certain criteria or not. You can add those filters from here. After adding those filters, click on Apply. Now we'll move to the Segment section. Segments are a list of users in your event who meet certain criteria. Click on New Segment option, select the new segment, and select the various filters and parameters from here and click on Apply. Now we can see the registration section, wherein we can analyze responses from registration and get detailed summaries of individual participants. We can also send full report to our email address and analyze the complete data. The event analytics report will be available in the dashboard also for the organizers to view 10 minutes after the event starts. We can also click on feedback option from here to give feedback on analytics. So this is for registrations. Now we'll move to settings. Moving to the settings tab, click on event experience. Session recordings are enabled by default. All recordings will be available a few hours after a session ends. You can find those recordings in manage recordings. You may also switch off the recordings for individual sessions before starting a session. You can also enable a leaderboard from here. After enabling a leaderboard, you can add gamification to increase attendee engagement. You can also allocate points according to activities and include prizes for top winners. Now comes pre and post event entry. In this section, it can manage when your attendees can have an access to your event via providing access by enabling the event replay after the event is marked ended. Live stream your live session to Facebook and YouTube along with third party platforms via RTMP. Click on Add Stream Destination. Select from the previously selected destination, or by clicking on Add New Section, you can add a new destination from here. Now we'll click on Stream into Airmeet section. Stream into Airmeet, we can stream sessions from outside of Airmeet using a third party streaming software. We can enable a stream key from here and then copy and paste it on your third party broadcasting software. Now comes integrations. You can enable event level integration from the native integration library. Once the platform connection is done from the community dashboard, you will be able to enable the integration at the event level and begin importing participant data. Then we can see attendee profiling. Attendee profiling, wherein we can configure and manage the profile interest tag that a live event attendee might select while updating their profile. And we can select it from here by clicking on edit and save those tags from here so that attendees can choose those. Now comes miscellaneous section. In miscellaneous section, you are currently on the new dashboard, but you could switch back to the old dashboard if you prefer it better. Now we do have an option to share the event on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp. We can also copy the link from here and share it. Now we have an option called as Enter Event. Once we click on Enter Event, we can preview the event and set up our launch and sessions before starting the event. Now we can click on three colons and open the event from here. It lets our attendees to enter and begin communicating with each other. Thank you so much for watching.